Today I'm making a short video about making transparent images by default. Even though you might have an image with a white background, it might not be transparent. There are some tutorials that talk about using transparent selection as well as freeform selection. So right now I have transparent selection on this ball over here, and I'm going to do a freeform selection. And if you cut and paste, so let me copy and then I paste into this black background over here. The transparency works fine. Again, I had to make sure that transparent selection was on this other paint object. But if I try to do this in GIMP, now let's say I do a CTRL+V, a paste. You can see that I have a background layer over here, but then when I paste it, it creates a floating selection layer, which I've Googled this, they said you shouldn't do that. So I'm going to do a CTRL+Z. Instead, under Edit on the top over here, they say you should paste as a new layer. But again, you'll see that my paste is missing the selection. And so the background isn't transparent exactly, even though I selected it with the paint tool. So what I need to do is actually create an image with a transparent background. You can Google online tools for this. So I Googled online transparent background. They have a number of online tools which can do that for you. I guess Adobe makes one. I haven't tried it, but I'm just saying you can use this for just video purposes. I'm going to show how to do it using Paint 3D. So I'm going to type in Paint, and I have access to Paint 3D. I'm assuming you have Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm going to do a new image, and I'm going to copy and paste this image. I wish it'd work. Okay, so I pasted the image. And so what I'll do now is, once I have the paste, let's see what I can do. I think I'm supposed to use canvas. Again, it was on brushes, but I think if you choose maybe canvas and then magic select, now it's asking you to choose an area to cut out. And so you can see this blue line that's around here is the area that it's chosen to cut out, which is Paint 3D does a pretty good job. If it was off, you can erase over here, or you can add, and you can see I'm going to add it, and then try to remove this part. And you can see, I hope, I want to add this region. Hopefully it'll add it. But anyways, I messed it up. Let's go back and go next. And it's selected, automatically selected the region. You can fix the region using the add or remove button, and then click done. And so now it's made the transparent background, and I can do magic select, which it's already done. I can now copy it, I think, and then I'm going to try to, let's delete this. Edit, undo clear, edit, undo paste. So I'm going to try doing paste. as a new layer, and you'll see now that I pasted the image that has a transparent background. So, sorry about that. I probably added some unnecessary steps to my process. Let's go start from the start. So, paint 3D. I'll set a new one. Paste. So there's my image. And I just need to go to Magic Select. Go next. So I really didn't need to do the canvas thing. And the blue outline is what it selected. I can modify using the remove or add buttons. This blue line, so I can make it so there's a larger region or a smaller region, or I can change. I could, let's say I only want half the ball. But anyways, I'm just gonna use it default. Click done. So it selected the region that I want and left the background transparent. Now all I have to do is copy it. That's like, where's the copy button? Right click. I'm just using the right mouse click button within here and then doing a copy. And within GIMP, let me do. I'll do a new image, and I'll even choose a different foreground color. And now I'll do the edit, paste as new layer, and there you go. So really, this is a video that does two things. One is show you how to create a image with a transparent background using Paint 3D, and next it also shows you how to cut and paste into GIMP as a pasted layer. Hopefully this helps someone.